Get out the trash. Give it to me. Give it to me. You're always in the trash, man. In the trash, man. Give it to me. Get out the trash. Come on. Let's show the sunshine your outfit.
I dressed her, Mom.
Say hi, guys. Say good morning. Hey, good morning. Okay, I can't. Pick up your hat. Pick up your hat and your scarf. Get your hat. Put that by the door. Say good morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
I dressed her, guys.
And get ready to go Walmart. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Good morning, Maddie. Good morning. Okay, stand up. You're doing too much. Come on. Okay, I can't. I really can't.
Guys, I downloaded music play but I can't log in it. Because Mommy said I can't.
What's up, guys? So it's been a few days. I don't know how long. Like I told you guys, I'm only doing one vlog per week now. So instead of why is her hat so dirty? So instead of a vlog on Fridays, I'm skipping that altogether. I don't know what I'm gonna put up for Friday. So far I don't have anything on Friday. So Monday it's lunch video, Tuesday it's a grocery haul, and Wednesday it's a vlog. And Thursday and Friday it's empty for right now. So if you know any kind of videos that you guys want to see from us, just let me know. Comment down below and I will not gladly do it, but I will figure out how I can work that around our schedule. But right now, yours truly, I'm breaking out. Sorry, don't I used that thing on my face. I still haven't ordered my my face wash. Still haven't ordered my face wash that I use on my face because I'm just lazy and I want to finish out the product that I have here. But really, I can't with the stuff on my face. I'm too old to be having acne. Like, I never had acne as a child or a teenager, and now I have acne. I'm supposed to go get my nails done today. Well, my nails are due. What are you messing up, honey? Look at him over there. Supposed to go get my nails done today per the schedule, but I think I can squeeze another week out of my nails. Anybody ever does that? Let me know. So we're on our way to Walmart to go do grocery shopping, cleaning supplies for the house. We don't really need much, but just a little bit of stuff. And so you guys are welcome to come, and the boys are at their grandparents' house. Only have the girls and Jackson.
Whoever.
So I'll see you guys once we get to Walmart. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Where's her hat?
I have.
I need her car seat. Go, baby. Go, baby. Maddie, go. Oh. Is this her first time stepping out the house? Girl, this summer I'm gonna have fun with you outside. Not really. Maddie. Maddie. My girl gone. Need and knock like. Alright.
I got this. I got this.
You better take that poopy diaper to the trash. Don't drag it, it's gonna rip.
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, Lord. Come on, get it. Still raining. Oh, it's not open?
Look.
Oh, Lord.
Feels like me.
Guys, so tell me why IKEA. They had a sale on their Iams dressers, which are like the 8 drawers dressers. It's 20% off, I believe, and the sale ends on the 11th, which is today. So by the time this video goes up, you guys, it will already be gone. But I was like, usually the dresser goes for like $250, and I have to buy 4 dressers, which is like $250, $1,000. Is that $1,000? Yeah. And we would save $200 if I would purchase it today. But the problem is I don't have a vehicle big enough to go get the dressers. And then even if we do get the dressers, it's just gonna be a whole bunch of boxes in this tiny space that we have right now. It's a good sale, but I don't know. And then I'm looking on Facebook Marketplace, and they do have people that sells them for cheaper than IKEA. But my thing is, how can you afford to sell something brand new, still in the box, for cheaper than what the store has it for, unless you're stealing or something? And I don't want to be participating in anyone stealing. Or maybe they get a discount. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you purchase from someone off of Facebook Marketplace that has it way cheaper than what the store offers it for? Or would you purchase it from the store? That way, you know, it's legit. Or would you rather save a little bit of money and get it from Facebook Marketplace, even though it's probably you're participating in stuff that is probably illegal? And I don't want to be a part of that. No. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to say, what's that noise? Oh, my bell. I gotta go, guys. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
It's Sunday.
This is retarded. This is retarded. Oh, you're running over my baby's leg. Jesus. Pushing on my child's leg. And she knows she was pushing the baby leg. I seriously want to punch her in the face.
Who, the assistant manager?
No. She knew she was pushing the baby leg and she kept on going.
What'd she say?
She didn't say nothing. She just looked at me. I swear to God, man.
Yeah, one more. Right here.
People, we survived Walmart, but this lady almost took off Maddie's leg just to go push herself up in a checkout. That's like, she has a cart filled with stuff and she want to go push to go in a 15 items or less line. Are you for real? Almost took off my baby leg. She's so lucky that I know Jesus, okay? Because if I was, gone are the days when I used to be ignorant and illiterate and just, yeah, I was just that person. Like, you say anything to me and I'm ready to.
Why are you going that way, woman?
Yeah, I'm ready. Everybody at Walmart, I'm telling you. And then this guy, we're checking out, and 2 Iranians or something, I don't know where they're from, but they were like so close to us. I was like, honey, you sure these men don't like you? Because they're like so close. Look at him. He's still petrified over here. And then they left And then this black guy came and he was like literally touching me and I'm trying to pay. And I remember once I was in Giant and this Caucasian lady did that to me and I was like, yo, can you back up? And I flipped out on the lady, and this time I was like, you know what? Not today, Janice. I got the kids. I don't want to be like, you know, I didn't want to be confrontational. Yes. I didn't want to do that, but dude and I could hear the man breathe, and he was fat.
He's about 400 pounds.
He was fat, and he was and I'm over here like, oh, can you just back up?
He bought bread, a big pack of chicken
like
wings,
if I was, because we were paying with credit card.
Sauce.
But I'm telling you, if I was paying with my debit card and I had to put in my PIN, that man would have known my PIN. Like, he was that close. It was just like, are you serious? These people at Walmart knows no personal space whatsoever. They don't respect your space. They just like, we were shopping Black Friday one time. That's why I stopped going Black Friday. And this guy just walked past and farted. Lift up his leg and farted.
I remember that.
And then he just scratched his ass and just kept on. I was so done. I was done. I was ready to go because I was right in the aisle with him, and he just lifted up his leg and farted, and he would scratch his ass, and I was like, no, why does it have to be Walmart? It's like you leave civilization and come to Walmart and it's just in a different, whole nother world. Like, anyways, I'm done with my rant. That was too much. I need to go home, de-stress and come back into this world because, babe, today was not our day, let me tell you that. And poor baby over here was so scared. He was so petrified of these people. He was just like, please don't say anything to my black wife. Don't say anything to my, because you know how they stereotype black people, that we're supposed to be ghetto and we don't know how to act. Yeah, so yeah, whatever. We have we were under budget because food was $150 budget. We came in under $114. Where's the receipt?
You know you can open it.
We came in under budget. Yeah, $114. We were under budget and excited, yay! So, what else we gotta get, babe? I think, oh yeah, we gotta get vitamins, calcium, and I think that's it. Calcium, and we forgot something else that we said we was gonna go get. But whatever, it's not important.
Blueberries.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we didn't get blueberries, but we can do without blueberries because I only use that for the children's lunches. Other than that, I'll see you guys once we get home. Every Sunday I do this. I'm stuck in this look.
Hey, you gotta get some bags, buddy. Okay. Yo dije, sí, no era que me iba a mandar texto.
Me olvidé porque ahora llegando ahí le digo, ay, Che, no hay contar.
Say hi to Grandma. Jaxson. ¿Cómo extrañaba?
Welcome home.
We got today's chips.
You got chips? Are they vegan?
Oh no, Grandma just got it for you guys. It's for, you guys can pack it for this as lunch.
Okay.
Hi, Jason.
Alright, well guess what? You guys are back to it, so look.
Look! They're just in time.
Gotta put groceries in the house.
Guys, look.
How's your weekend?
I got it. I didn't get any.
What's wrong? You in pain or something?
No.
No? Okay. ¿Eh? Jason tiene llave, sí.
Hey, dude.
Ay, Jason, me olvidé que le tenía que pasar
Hello?
a tu papá. Me olvidé por completo.
Why did you climb up there? Maddie, why did you climb up there? Huh?
Mama, close your eyes. Where they put it on, close your eyes. Okay.
Are you excited?
Any card.
Huh? Can you come down? Can you come down? Do you want to come down? Give me your hands. No, you have to get off. You have to get off. Here, I'll help you get off. No, you have to come down. No, you have to come down.
That's cool.
Madison, I'm telling you, you can't stay up there. You have to come down.
What?
Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys
On Monday.
and I will you see what life done? Look, they're like almost at my height. Like a couple more years.
Jordan's on his tippy toe.
And I think the twins. Oh, Jordan on his tippy toe?
No, me.
Oh, you guys aren't. You're almost as tall as me. Well, the twins.
Jason's more taller.
Jordan is right there.
I can't.
And then Destiny is right here. Right
What
here.
am I at?
Jason is. Yeah, Jason is. Ooh, Jason is right above my shoulder. Jordan head is. Your head is. Jordan is. Oh, okay. Jason is taller.
We're gonna watch the movie.
And then little Jackson. But anyways, guys, what in the world? What do you guys think? You like the headband? No.
I like it.
Look like a little girl. Take it off your head. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys next Wednesday.
Take a card.
Welcome. Oh, I forgot to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Like seriously, you guys are like
Take a card.
legit here. Like yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gone. I'll see you guys next week. Shout outs, okay.
Shout outs to my friends Pearl. I forgot. Pearl, Awa,
Look here.
Sharon, Jordan. Sister card. Kayla. Sister card. And sister card. I forgot all of them. Sister card.
So how many shout outs you
And
doing?
Bless. And Michaela. Yeah, that's all. I'm in.
Okay, you got any shout out?
But I forgot all their names.
You got any shout out?
I didn't know.
You got any shout out?
Who are you talking to?
Oh Lord. Maddie, you have any shout outs? Who you want to shout out? Who? Baby who? Who you be watching, huh? Who watches you? Shiona. Roberto, you got any shout outs?
Nope.
He over here double checking the bill for this week's grocery. Life is rough when you got the man in the house double checking his list with the actual list to make sure that his wife didn't overspend. Like, you were in charge of the list, not me. But we came under though. That's what's bothering him, is that he was keeping track of the list and he gave me a number. He spit out 122 after we added tax, 6% tax. And then we came out 114. So it was like way less. It was like $8 or no, $7. Was it $7? Watch me. No, don't do it. We came out less than what he projected, so he's kind of confused on what. But he went to the vitamin shop and the dude didn't even bring up the vitamin. We didn't even catch it until we got home. I'm not bringing back the vitamin. Well, we should. We should. I'm gonna bring the vitamin back. No. Anyways, I'm not gonna put that in there. Anyways, guys.